At Satthwa, we don't believe in making claims without proof. Castor oil is something you apply directly on your scalp, hair, eyebrows, skin, and in some cases, even consume internally. That's exactly why purity and safety matter so much. Satthwa castor oil is edible and comes with a valid FSSAI license, which means it meets food-grade safety standards for consumption as well. To back this with facts, we got Satthwa castor oil tested by a certified laboratory. And in this video, we're sharing the actual lab report summary in simple layman language, so you know exactly what you're using. Why we choose lab testing? The market is full of castor oils claiming to be pure or organic. But purity is not a word, it's something that must be verified. At Satthwa, transparency is part of our process. So instead of asking you to trust us blindly, we chose to show you the proof. Satthwa castor oil is clean and pure. The first thing the lab checked was contamination. The report confirms no heavy metals like lead, arsenic, mercury, or cadmium. No solvent residue like hexane. Satthwa castor oil is not polluted, not chemically contaminated, and not extracted using harsh industrial solvents. This clearly indicates that the oil is extracted using the cold-pressed method, which preserves nutrients and keeps the oil clean and natural. This is what we mean when we say clean oil. The oil is fresh, not spoiled. The lab also tested whether the oil is fresh or has gone bad. The results showed low acid value, very low peroxide value. In simple terms, the oil has not gone rancid. It has been extracted properly and stored under the right conditions. Fresh oil works better and is safer for regular use, both externally and internally. Microbiologically safe and hygienic. This is one of the most important sections of the report. The biological test showed very low total bacteria count, no yeast or mold, no E. coli, no coliform bacteria, Salmonella completely absent. This means Satthwa castor oil is hygienic, free from harmful germs, and safe for topical, cosmetic, and edible use. Genuine castor oil, not mixed or adulterated. One of the biggest concerns today is fake or diluted oils. The lab analyzed the fatty acid profile of Satthwa castor oil. The result? Profile matches real castor oil. No unusual or foreign fats. No trans fats detected. This confirms Satthwa castor oil is genuine, not mixed, not diluted, and not adulterated. Summary: clean and cold pressed, fresh and stable, free from heavy metals, solvents, and harmful bacteria, pure and genuine, edible with FSSAI certification, safe for hair, skin, and internal use. If you have any questions about the report or the testing process, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for trusting Satthwa, where purity is proven, not promised.